mercies came down from Jerusalem, saying, why don't your disciples keep the rules we made? But Jesus answered, cutting through the noise, why do you break God's word for the traditions you obey? They started as revivalists, calling people back, but traded love for law and mercy for a mask. What began in faith turned into heavy chains. Man-made religion God never proclaimed. You're not after rituals, you're after hearts made whole. Tear down the wall, every rule that took your place. I don't want religion's chains, I want the fire of your grace. You're the truth that sets me free, not the laws of Pharisees. Search my heart, oh Lord, and make me whole. Legalism whispers, God forgot a line. Let me finish what he meant, let me redefine. It builds a system on a single phrase, calls it holy, demands we do the same. But you said the broken heart is what you won't despise. Not a checklist, not a burden, not a Pharisee disguise. Your gospel isn't bondage, it's freedom for the soul. Your spirit leads us deeper than the rules could ever go. You're not after performance, you're after surrender. Tear down the wall, every rule that took your place. I don't want religion's chains, I want the fire of your grace. You're the truth that sets me free, not the laws of Pharisees. Search my heart, oh Lord, and make me you're after hearts made